Hey everyone, Kellen here from electricwheelchairsusa.com. In this video, we're going to dive deeper into one of the best-selling folding mobility scooters on the market right now, the golden Buzzaround Carry-On. While we've previously showcased this scooter, today we'll take a closer look at its features and discuss how it feels to ride it from a first-person perspective. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any upcoming content about power mobility products. Also, if you'd like to receive a catalog, simply visit our website and request a free catalog. You'll get it within 10 days or less, or you can also call us to get one sent to you. Now, let's talk about some of the recent upgrades to the Carry-On scooter. One of the new features is the storage basket located at the back. It's not huge, but it's perfect for storing a few essentials. It also comes with a bungee cord for added security. In addition, there's a front basket for extra storage, but again, it's not too large. Another upgraded feature is the built-in cup holder on the tiller, which wasn't available before. There's also a USB charging port and a tiller that can be adjusted toward or away from you using a yellow lever. These features make it much more convenient. One of the standout qualities of the Buzzaround Carry-On is how it folds up. There's no other mobility scooter in the industry that folds quite like this one. Let me show you how it works. First, remove the seat by pulling the yellow lever and it will pop right off. Next, you can fold down the basket portion, and there's two knobs on each side of this, and if you pull them, you can push it down on the floorboard like that. You can also fold the basket in or remove it completely. Then, the adjustable tiller can be folded down by holding the lever, making it easy to lay flat. Once folded, the scooter is designed to fit under beds or cruise ship cabins, and it's especially convenient for people who travel on cruises. After folding it down, you can lift it and pull it behind you. It's also great for placing it in the back of a vehicle. The weight distribution is well thought out, so it's easier to load and unload. Another thoughtful feature is the small hole in the scooter, where you can place the seat if you're traveling with the scooter assembled in the back of your vehicle. You can place the basket on your lap or in the front seat if needed. Now let's unfold it and talk about how it feels to ride. As someone tall, I can comfortably place my feet, although they do extend past the edge of the floorboard. It doesn't affect the scooter's performance though, and is not uncomfortable. The scooter is also airline approved, which is fantastic for travelers. Keep in mind that the standard battery isn't airline approved, but you can opt for an airline approved battery for an additional cost. On the tiller, you'll find several useful controls. There's a horn button, a set of front headlights, a speed control with settings from tortoise to rabbit for different speeds, 2 sets of keys, and a battery gauge. The tiller is ambidextrous, allowing you to accelerate forward or backward with just one hand, which is a helpful feature for those with limited hand mobility. The scooter's speed can be adjusted from a slow crawl at the tortoise setting to a top speed of around 4 to 5 miles per hour at the rabbit setting. For storage, there are a few compartments, including a pouch on the back, and the scooter offers convenient charging options, either on the tiller or directly from the battery itself. If you have any questions about this incredible top-selling folding mobility scooter, feel free to give us a call. Our team is available every day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern, and they are always ready to assist you with any inquiries. You can also visit our website at electricwheelchairsusa.com for more details. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have an amazing day. We look forward to talking to you soon.